say like you're like when you go to receive the ball, you're very, I don't know, not unbalanced, but it feels like you're moving way too much. Like, I don't know if you're not reading the ball correctly, because sometimes it seems like you go up, then back, and then over or something. Like, you're taking way too many steps towards a ball that should just easily be like, oh, it's coming here. I either take a step, or I just wait for it to come to me, or I take a step back, right? It seems like you're taking way too many steps. Like, obviously, if it's a good serve and he hits a cross court on you, you're gonna like, where you have to run for it. That's different. That's pace, and yeah, you're gonna have to run for it. But sometimes when it's just like as if you're just doing like a regular serve or doing a regular serve, it seems like you're misjudging it, and you're like stepping like all around before you hit it. Well, no, just on your actual like turn when they serve it to you. Like, I don't know if you're like sitting too far back and then it drops and then you take a step forward and you're like, oh crap, now I took the step too late. Now I have to back up and then hit it. You know. Yeah. The only time the paddle is back here is if it's a super short serve and it's high and you just want to whip it and generate more power. That's train off side. Maybe you'll see, maybe it's the way you're gripping it, maybe it's the way you're moving, because like a lot of times I can't focus on everything that you're doing while I'm playing too, you know? Yeah.
I don't mind taking a step back.
Oh, he gets to stay?
I'm saying one more. Till we're dead. No. We're gonna play on the champion side.
Yo, Q, where the cookies at?
Play the winning side.
1, 2, 3. Well, fuck that.
Switch out to one board. You want me to do it? 0-1.
We had a good run.
Yeah, it was a good run. I told you once you go to that side. It was a bad start.
Yeah, but like, gotta get them bad.
You get them a lot of
Yeah, I mean, tired.
That's what I'm telling you, man. When you play on that side, it feels like the net's a lot taller.
Right?
It feels like it. It's a lot easier to get up on this side to kick it than that side. For me.
Zero's on 2.
That's just my thing.
That's clear. On the offensive side. Offensive tweener. 0-0-1. Battery all good for us. 1-0-1. Oh, he wanted a part of that shit.
One's on one. All right, two's on. 2-1. 1.
Oh, come on.
Good shot. All right, 3-1.
Hey, can you guys please do it? I have no room here. All right, 0's on 2. All right, let's start now. I know, for real. Now, for real, I'm really serious.
4-1-2.
Wow. What a way to start.
I thought 4-1-2 was actually 4-1. One five? 1-5, yes.